Today I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in N8n quickly and easily. This is useful if your workflows need to run on a specific local time or if you want your automation schedules to match your region more accurately. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, click Overview inside N8n. This takes you to the main workflow list where you can find the automation you want to update. Next, click the workflow you want to change. Open the exact workflow that needs a different time zone because the time zone setting is applied per workflow. Once the workflow opens, look at the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the workflow menu with more options. From that menu, click Settings. In the Settings window, you'll see different configuration options for the workflow. Now find the drop-down next to Time Zone. Click it and choose your preferred time zone from the list. Select the one that matches the region you want your workflow to use. After that, save the changes if needed, and your workflow will now run using the selected time zone. That's all it takes to change the N8n time zone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide.